Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. Finally guys, after the long wait, we have our iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. And this particular one that features 1TB storage and it is blue. And without any further ado, let's get it unboxed and see if it really worth that much money. So for this item, I don't think we need any legendary weapon since there's a convenient opener. Let's get it open. Dun, dun, dun. Ding, ding, ding. Nothing in there. Put that aside. And now let's take a look at this bad boy. So as you guys can see, we got a blue one. It says iPhone, an Apple, another iPhone, another Apple. And it says iPhone 13 Pro Max. And it says blue, 1TB. Now that's a lot of storage. It used to be wrapped with the plastic all around. And now there's no plastic bag. And just too easy to open. So you just tear this, to green, and then you're gonna open. So let's do that. Very easy. And now let's get it out of the box. Oh, look at this. Man, it looks like those gas range. You know, you put a pot on there. Let's get it out. And before the iPhone, let's take a look what's inside the box. So here's our charging cable, the USB Type-C, but there's no power adapter. So we might use the ones that we already have. And here's our menu and the stick that we can open the SIM card slot. And then we got a sticker, safety instructions. So that is pretty much everything in the box. And now let's get this bad boy. Let's open the cover for the screen. Nice, look at this. Impressive, man. This screen is huge. And also the design, man, it's so nice. And my first impression of this iPhone is huge screen, and it also very solid, and it looks elegant too. All those elements and the features, the material make it looks really elegant, and also a lot of money. On the back of the iPhone, we got this matte gloss finishing, which feels really nice, and it doesn't leave any fingerprint. And this blue color is really well. It's not too much too blue, it's just right, very light blue and with some metal color in there. Really good. And on the side of the iPhone, we got a stainless steel, but I really wish they have the same material. That will be really nice. And for the screen, they use the ceramic to protect, which is also fingerprint resistance. Look at this. It doesn't leave any fingerprint on it. And this iPhone 13 measures 6¼ in length and 3" in width, and is very slim, which is only a little more than a quarter. And this guy weighs 8.4 ounces. And now let's take a look around the phone. And we got our value buttons at the left side, up and down. And also our silence switcher. And here's our SIM card slot. And on top, there's nothing. And on the right side, here's our set button. And on the bottom, we have our speakers and our charger. And the screen for this 13 Pro Max is 6.7". And also the screen has the most updated technology on it. And we're gonna test that later in the video. And the cameras, it got a telephoto, and you got a wide, and you also got an ultra wide. And all three of these lenses is gonna make our video and photo looks awesome. And we also gonna test that too in the video. And on the front of the phone, we also got speakers and our camera and 3 sensors. And now guys, let's turn it on for the first time. Look at this. Handwriting, hello, 你好, hello, こんにちは, hola. Okay, let's choose language, choose my Wi-Fi, password, and let's hit next. Okay, it's setting up. Set up later, set up later, set up later. Don't share, continue, continue. Welcome to iPhone. So after it turned on, I don't feel that much difference when swiping around the apps for this 120 Hz ProMotion screen. Also, I don't feel that much difference too when browsing in the internet. Hopefully we can see some improvements in gaming. Let me download some games on this 13 and see how it goes on this 120 Hz ProMotion screen. Guys, I was so wrong about this iPhone, man. With the 120 Hz screen, it is so good in gaming. Everything is so smooth and also so clear. Everything just looks so good on this phone, man. 120 Hz definitely is a plus when you're gaming. This is considered really smooth in gaming, man. Especially on a phone. This is unbelievable. And this phone does not get hot easily. It's just a little warm. It's okay to put your hands on. It won't burn you. You won't feel that hot. Subway is shooting at us. I'm doing a test. Come on, relax. Let's beat this guy. What do you want, man? What do you want, man? What the fuck? We just knocked it out. Okay. You got the idea, man. This is incredible. Best experience on a mobile phone. Let's test it in video. Take a look at the resolution and the sound quality of the speakers. With the high resolution screen, the picture on this is amazing. Right now it is on the 4K mode, 60 FPS. Dude, this is so clear. Look at this, look at the color.
With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy.
And now let's test the camera. There's a lot of functions and features. Especially I love the zoom in and zoom out. You got 0.5, you got 1, and then 3, and more insane, we can go up to 15. You see the letters? You can see it, right? And use our iPhone with 15 zoom in, we are able to read it. And on the video recording, we have the 4K 60 FPS. This is insane. My camera only got 4K and 30 FPS. And see how it goes. Let's record a video. And this is the video that we just took. 4K and 60 FPS. Man, this is insane. I can just go ahead and use this phone as my camera to make videos from now on. And on the front camera, guys, we can still shoot it at 4K 60 FPS. This is insane. Look at this. Can you see yourself? The recording can do in 4K, but the photo can only do 1080p. One thing I do notice after playing many games and the testing for camera, 4K and all that, now it gets a little hot, but it still won't make you that uncomfortable. So it's okay. The screen should be fingerprint resistant, but after I played a little while, as you guys can see, fingerprint all over the screen. Overall, guys, this is a really good phone, both for gaming, productivity, and also some light work. And it got really nice design. And plus, if you are an Apple fan, no matter what, you're gonna get this. And I hope my review and tips help you to make the decision whether to get this phone or not. And now guys, let's go to the Video League giveaway. So today guys, we got 79 fish in the pool. And now let's see who is the lucky one. Congratulations, Pinto 2003. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! And to enter the giveaway, it's really simple and free. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And also leave the comment in my most recent video. And the next winner might be you. Alright guys, so that is pretty much everything for this video. And thank you for watching. And as always, please be safe out there. And I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.